Formulated in 100 universally flattering shades, the 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer covers a wide range of both surface colors and undertones to help you achieve a seamless finish. With so many shades, selecting the right one for you is surprisingly easy. 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie is divided into 5 equally represented skin tone categories: light, medium, tan, dark, and deep. Light, or L, is for those with fair to light skin tones. Medium, or M, is for light to medium skin tones. Tan, or T, is for tan skin tones. Dark, or D, is for dark brown skin tones. And deep, or DP, is for those with rich brown skin tones. This will become the first letter of your shade. There are 3 undertone categories in each shade category: P for pink, G for golden, and N for neutral. Pink undertones are cool with hints of pink and blue, and your veins may appear blue or purple. Golden undertones are warm with hints of yellow and peach, and your veins may appear green or olive. Neutral undertones are for those with a combination of cool and warm undertones, and your veins may appear blue or green. This becomes the second letter of your shade. Now it's time to determine where you fall on a scale of 1 to 7. For example, I'm in the tan family. I have golden undertones, so I will look in the TG category, which provides shades from 1 to 7, 1 being the lightest and 7 being the warmest. I'm on the lighter end of the spectrum, but not quite the lightest. So my shade is TG3, or Tan Golden 3. As a quick tip, apply the shade to your jawline to ensure a perfect match. If it appears too light or dark, adjust your choice to the neighboring shades.